What's up, guys? It's Ryan here. Wanted to bring you a quick tutorial on how to utilize the home value tool on my website. It is a popular tool. A lot of people do use it, so I wanted to make it a little bit easier for people to figure it out. So what you want to do first, obviously, is go to my website, ryankrupp.cbbhomes.com. And as you can see, we're already here. In the top right-hand corner is a header that is titled, "What is my home worth?" And we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to a screen here where you're going to enter in your home address, and we're going to do that, and it should auto-populate pretty quick. Just choose whatever your address is here from the drop down, and it's going to take you to a page here where yes, it is going to ask for a little bit of personal information, but that's okay. So we're just going to enter in my name, my email, and my phone. And there's some options here on to choose what your motivation is. I need to sell ASAP. I'm considering selling. I want to refinance. I need to sell so I can buy, or just browsing. So for this, I'm just going to need just browsing. It's going to be the same really either way. Click on report, and it's going to take you to the report. So we have a screen here of what the home value is projected to be, what the range is that it could fall under depending on the condition of the home and other things like that. Kind of particulars, the basics: beds, baths, square feet, year built, size of the lot. And then down here it's going to give you some recent sales and the active listings down here. So it's going to give you, and these are all clickable, so you can see what they are compared to whatever your home is, kind of get an idea of what your home's worth that way too. But really, I mean, the best way to get a proper home valuation is to call me, email me, text me, hit me up on any of the social medias. You'll see those in the top right hand corner as well. Just ask me any questions you want. We can even set up a listing consultation. It's completely free, no obligation, just to have me come out and talk to you and bring you some really detailed information about your home and the homes around yours to get an idea of exactly what it would probably sell for. So that's really it, guys. As you can see, it's pretty easy and quick to get an idea of what your home might be worth, if that might be a good first step for you to decide whether it's time to move or not. So I hope everyone is doing well. Hope this finds you well, and we'll talk again pretty soon.